Hey tech enthusiasts, are you facing a frustrating situation with your monitor? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'll guide you through the steps on how to fix an LG M230CL11 dead monitor screen. Whether you're dealing with a blank display or no power, we'll walk you through some troubleshooting techniques to get your monitor back up and running. Step 1. Initial inspection. If your LG M230CL11 screen won't turn on, start with a basic inspection. Check the power connection. Ensure that the power cable is securely connected to both the monitor and the power outlet. Sometimes a loose connection is all it takes to cause a problem. Test the power outlet. Plug another device into the outlet to confirm it's working. If it's not, try a different outlet or power strip. Look for physical damage. Inspect the monitor for any visible damage, such as cracks, which could be causing display issues. These simple checks often solve the problem without needing more technical intervention. However, if the screen remains unresponsive, move to the next step. Step 2. Test the video connection. Ensuring a proper connection between your monitor and PC is crucial. Verify cable connection. Make sure the video cable, HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA, is securely connected to both your computer and your monitor. Loose or damaged cables can prevent the display from working. Try a different cable or port. Swap out the cable with a known working one or use a different port to see if the issue lies with the existing connection. Use another computer. Connect your monitor to a different computer to check if the problem was with your PC or the monitor itself. If the display works with another computer, you may need to troubleshoot your PC further. Step 3. Reset the monitor. Sometimes a simple reset can solve various display issues. Turn off the monitor. Disconnect it from the power source and wait for a few minutes. This allows the internal components to reset. Press and hold the power button. Hold the button for 10 to 15 seconds while unplugged to properly discharge any residual. Reconnect and power on. Plug the monitor back in, turn it on, and check if the problem persists. A reset helps clear temporary glitches that might be hindering normal operation. Step 4. Inspect the hardware internally. If the external steps haven't worked, consider internal checks. Open the monitor carefully. Use a screwdriver to carefully open the back panel. Ensure you're grounded to avoid static electricity damage. Check for loose connections or damaged components. Look for any obvious loose wiring or burned out components. If you spot any, it might be wise to consult or hire a professional. Replace faulty parts. If you're comfortable, replace any damaged capacitors or internal wiring that is visibly faulty. Remember, only proceed with hardware checks if you feel confident and safe doing so. Otherwise, seek professional help. Fixing an LG M230CL11 dead monitor screen involves a combination of simple inspections, connection tests, resets, and sometimes internal checks. By following these steps, there's a good chance you'll resolve the issue without needing a new monitor. Always prioritize safety and, if in doubt, consult a professional technician for complex repairs. Whether it's a power issue, connection problem, or internal fault, this guide provides a comprehensive starting point to troubleshoot effectively. Good luck, and may your screen shine bright once more.